Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I'll share a very short and quick recipe of Tel Koi. So you must be wondering why Tel Koi. This is a very common recipe which you can find in internet, right? You can find it. But this is a recipe. There are many types of Tel Koi recipe. So in the description box I will share a recipe which I did previously, that is a restaurant style Tel Koi, and this is the Tel Koi I prepared without onion, without garlic, a normal one. This is very homely and very tasty as well and very quick. So you just check the recipe, and you want to subscribe my channel or not, that's I'm leaving up to you. Do check my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can check Instagram, Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, and if you want to order food, you can check Zomato or can directly contact me. So let's go to the recipe. I'll prepare it in my favorite kadai, and these are the Deshi Koi Fish. We need all the bata masala or paste, so ginger paste, cumin paste, and then Kalonji, Kalo Zeera, mustard oil, turmeric powder, Kashmiri Mirch and salt, and I'm marinating the fish with turmeric and salt for fry. Heat the kadai at first, then add mustard oil, heat it, and I'll fry the fish, just saute, it's not a deep fry. Don't fry koi fish for a long time, it will be chewy and rubbery, so just saute both sides, so it will be like this only. Add some more mustard oil and then add the Kalonji or Kalo Zeera, and then cumin paste, and then ginger paste, and followed by red Kashmiri Mirch Powder and turmeric or haldi powder and salt, and then cook it properly until the oil come out. Though I am Bengal, but I always add a pinch of sugar to enhance the taste. So I'm adding the sugar, and then again little bit of water. The oil will come out once the lid is on. I am adding little bit of water and this green chili, you can use chili paste, and then the fried or saute koi fish, and then I will mix it properly, and then I'll cover it. I just add a little bit of water so the masala won't burn. You can see oil is coming out, and the Tel Koi is already done, but I will finish it, that is my favorite, with some mustard oil, and it's done and ready to serve.